Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Starting from today, we are beginning a brand new series on bWAPP. In this series, we'll use bWAPP to practice new real hack skills step by step. If you are learning web application testing, preparing for CTFs, or capture the flags, or just trying to understand how various web vulnerabilities work, this series is for you. And today, in the first video of this series, we'll cover two things. First, what exactly bWAPP is. And second, how to install it properly. So now, let's get started. Of course, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now, what exactly is bWAPP? As you can see over here, bWAPP is a Buggy Web Application. And this is a free and open source, deliberately insecure web application. It helps security professionals, developers, and students to discover and to prevent web vulnerabilities. So, and as the name says, it's basically a website or application intentionally filled with various vulnerabilities. Yes, intentionally. Similar to DVWA or DAM, Vulnerable Web Application. The purpose of bWAPP is simple. Can let you practice hacking or web hacking more specifically. So that's it. Think of it like, playground or training playground. Instead of attacking real websites, which is illegal and risky, and all of you can practice everything safely inside bWAPP. So why it's so popular for beginners, and also I recommend you practice bWAPP as well if you want to improve your cybersecurity skills. So what can bWAPP do? One of the biggest reasons bWAPP is great is because it comes with so many types of web vulnerabilities. Yeah, indeed, that's a lot. For example, like SQL Injection, SSRF or server-side template injection, SSRF or server-side request forgery attack, command injection, file upload vulnerabilities, HTML injection, cross-site scripting attack, open redirect, and many more. Yes, very, very useful playground for you guys. Okay? So this is how we can learn real web hacking skills. You cannot only read books, which is very boring, right? Very tedious. We can use bWAPP to do very practical stuff. Okay? So now, let's talk about installation. After all, we need to install it to practice bWAPP. And there will be different approaches like, use Docker, or maybe you install everything manually, one by one. For example, like Apache, like MySQL database, PHP language, or PHP interpreter. But, this way potentially has two problems, I believe. The first, this will take a bit long time to install Okay? And second, some of vulnerabilities cannot work properly in modern environment. You need to select a very suitable or matching versions. This will be a bit challenging for you. So what's my recommendation? We can use the virtual machine instead. Okay? So everything will be inside this virtual machine. We do not need to install them one by one. And this approach will be much easier. This approach will be much quicker, okay, or faster and less headache. Okay, and you can download this from different websites. You can use Google, and you can get the link what you want to download from. And I download this bWAPP or bBox from the VMware. Okay, and the importation process will be very straightforward, just as other virtual machines. You download and extract these 7Z files, and then you can import it to like VMware workstation. Okay, I will not repeat, or I will not showcase this process because, just as I said, this is very, very simple. If you have a problem with installation, please leave a comment below. Okay, I will try to respond to you as soon as possible. So now, in case we have already imported the bWAPP machine or bWAPP virtual machine to the VMware, and as you can see over here, I have already imported. And now we can go inside Kali Linux. So the first is to discover the IP address of the target machine, and we can use like net discover. Okay, and this will send packets to wait for response from live machines. And this one is what we are looking for. And this machine is running bWAPP application. So now we just simply fire up the browser and input the IP address of the bWAPP machine. And we can click the first link, which will be directed to bWAPP application. And then, here you can see we are given its credential to log in. Username is B and password is bug. So now we can input such information, and also you can select or set the security level. And I think you are very familiar with this part if you have already done, or if you have already engaged with DVWA, damn vulnerable web application. Okay, but just I want to say in comparison to, maybe I will mention it afterwards. So we can log in. Wonderful. You can see we can play, or the bWAPP provides us with so many scenarios, so many, and so many different vulnerabilities. Okay, like evil, intervention required, many of them. All right, and the different scenarios have been grouped to like injection category, so many, like blind SQL injection, XPath injection. So the next point I'd like to show you is that in comparison to DVWA, bWAPP provides us with much more scenarios or vulnerabilities. Okay, so I want to recommend you again, if you have time, if you want to learn cybersecurity, if you want to learn penetration or specifically web penetration testing, this series is right for you. with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you next. Bye. Have a good day, please.